MGT 103, Management of Quality. Here is a quick question for us. What is one thing that is common among top companies like Toyota, Samsung, Makati Shangri-La, Bangkok, and Epson Philippines? Most of you would say that they are all very successful organizations that have sustained growth in the past years, some even decades. If there is one thing that drove these companies towards above-average returns and long-term sustainability, this is because at one point these companies embraced the concept of quality management within. The importance of quality cannot be overstated. Customer preference is achieved in two ways. 1. Customers will buy products and services if they perceive them as reasonably priced. Or 2. Customers will patronize products that they believe meets their expectations. This is where the story of quality starts. We somehow know that quality is something that begins with the most important stakeholder of them all, the customer. At the heart of every quality management effort is to make sure the needs, wants, desires, and specifications of customers are met. This is the best time for us to define what quality is. A leading organization for setting global standards, known as ISO, defines quality as the degree to which the inherent characteristics of products and services fulfill customer requirements. As simple as it is, quality is all about fulfilling standards set by customers, wherein standards may vary depending on requirements. ISO, for one, is an example of an organization that pools information together across industries around the world so that standards are set, hence making it rather easier for companies to define quality requirements. Now that we know the universal definition of quality, what every company needs to do is to embed quality as an inherent characteristic of the product. In short, it is not enough that we declare that our products are good and possess quality. We need to define further the evidences of quality. These evidences are known as quality dimensions. For products, the most common dimensions of quality includes performance, aesthetics, special features, conformance, reliability, durability, perceived quality, and serviceability. For example, when buying a car, a customer would naturally be interested in the car's performance. But what does this mean? In more specific terms, it might refer to a car's estimated miles per gallon, how quickly it can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour, or its stopping distance when traveling at 60 miles per hour. Remember, each time that we define the quality dimension, they must always be stated in terms of specific measurable characteristics. And as far as quality management is concerned, if it ain't measured, it ain't relevant. One dictum of quality management is that quality products are results of quality processes. One famous management guru, Joseph Huron, even viewed quality as fitness for use. He described quality management in terms of a trilogy, consisting of quality planning, quality control, and quality improvement. Another pioneer and champion is Edward Deming, who developed the iconic PDCA cycle, which up to this day remains to be one of the most common template for quality assurance. Enough of history. Any company serious about improving quality must take into account the costs associated with it. First, you need to hire inspectors, spend money on testing, maintain random audits, and other stuff. These are called appraisal costs, which relate to inspection, testing, and other activities intended to uncover defective products or services, or to assure that there are none. Second, companies may also spend on systems improvement, invest on training employees so they know better, or pay additional man-hours in the design and production phases to decrease the probability of defective workmanship. These costs fall under prevention costs, obviously to prevent defects from occurring. Third, and the worst kind, is called failure costs. These costs are incurred by defective parts or products, or by faulty services. Internal failures include lost production time, scrap and rework, investigation costs, possible equipment damage, and possible employee injury. While external failures are defective products or poor service that go undetected by the producer. Research, however, prove that while the costs of defect prevention are increased, the costs of appraisal and failure decreased by much more. So what's the deal here? Quality can be virtually free. The more we perform preventive measures, which by the way does not cost a fortune, the fewer the quality issues, and eventually, higher productivity. So how can a company install total quality management within the organization, assuming that top management is all sold to the idea, and the benefits are well appreciated at all levels of the organization? Is there a template that we can use? Though the principles can readily be applied by any visionary manager, it pays to know that there are two entry points to apply quality in management and operations. ISO 9000 pertains to quality management, while ISO 14000 is concerned with what an organization does to minimize harmful effects to the environment caused by its operations. Another approach is by applying for awards. The Malcolm Baldrige Award, the European Quality Award, and the Deming Prize are well-known awards given annually to recognize firms that have assimilated quality management in their operations. Any company dreaming to be recognized by an award needs to be assessed by examiners who will check the extent to which top management incorporates quality values in daily management. Remember, quality in all its glory is everyone's responsibility. It is a marathon that has no finish line. We never stop getting better.